Rinky loves her elder brother's handwriting. He writes with a very special shiny ink pen. One day, when Baya is not at home, Rinky looks for his pen. She slides open his drawer. Out go his books. Out goes a stapler. Out goes a metal ruler. At the bottom of the drawer, Rinky finds his special pen. But what's that? A strange black block is stuck to it. Rinky pulls the pen and the block apart. But then, blink, click. A bottle cap jumps and sticks to the block. Rinky giggles with delight. Can things stick to this block like magic? Does the stapler stick to this block? Blink, click. Yes, it sticks. Does the furry cat stick to it? No, it does not. Does the metal ruler stick to this block? Blink, click. Yes, it sticks. Does this hairy brown coconut stick to it? No, it does not. The hairy coconut tickles Rinky's nose. Achoo! She sneezes loudly. The pen flies out of her hand and disappears under the bed. Rinky is worried. Baya will be back soon. She sticks her hand under the bed. Oh no! She can't reach the pen. She tries to reach the pen with the ruler. Oh no! The pen slides further away. If only there was a way to bring the pen closer to her. Suddenly, Rinky has an idea. The best idea ever. Rinky brings the black block near the ruler. Blink, click. It sticks. She then holds the ruler under the bed and stretches her hand. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Blink, click. Guess what sticks to the block? Quick, quick. Baya will be home soon. In go the pen and the black block. In go the books and stapler. In goes the metal ruler. Rinky slides the drawer shut. Just in time. She hears the door slam, and Baya walks into the room. Rinky, says Baya, why is there a coconut on the floor? The secret of the magic block. The magic block in the story is called a bar magnet. Magnets come in many shapes. They can be round, rectangular, square or U-shaped. A magnet cannot stick to all objects. It can only stick to certain objects that have special elements in them. These special elements that allow an object to stick to a magnet are iron, nickel, steel and cobalt. Which of these do you think will stick to a magnet?